Iran's new drone carrier. It will be combined with Iranian unmanned fighter jet Qaher 313. Iran's new drone carrier, the Shahid Bagheri, has been spotted anchored offshore the Iranian naval port of Bandar Abbas in the Persian Gulf. The new ship has the capability of launching drones. Originally a commercial container ship, it has now been modified into a drone carrier vessel for Iran's naval forces. According to Maxar, the ship began its journey in late November for its first sea trial, with a net-covered drone on deck. The development comes amid many drones flying over northern New Jersey and New York since last month, particularly near key U.S. military locations. As per the images, the drone ship is accompanied by two additional vessels that appear to be similarly modified, the Shahid Madavi and Shahid Rudaki. The ship's design features a ski jump ramp and an angled flight deck, which allows launching and recovering drones. Referred to as a forward base ship, it showcases Iran's advancements in naval capabilities. Notably, the Shahid Bagheri is not a newly constructed ship but rather a converted 24-year-old container vessel, formerly known as the Piraran. This strategic repurposing is aimed at enhancing the operational prowess of the Iranian Revolutionary Guards Corps, IRGC, which oversees naval activities within the Persian Gulf. Although some observers have referred to the Shahid Bagheri as Iran's first aircraft carrier, many contend its design and capabilities diverge substantially from those of traditional aircraft carriers. The conversion of the Shahid Bagheri is being carried out by the Iran Shipbuilding and Offshore Industries Complex Company, ISOICO, near Bandar Abbas. Reportedly, the work on the project commenced in May 2022, when the vessel was first spotted in a dry dock. This initiative aligns with Iran's broader naval strategy, which involves repurposing commercial vessels deemed unfit for trade due to international sanctions on military assets. This naval strategy bears a striking resemblance to the U.S. Navy's expeditionary sea base model. The Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps Navy, IRGCN, in collaboration with the Iranian Navy, has successfully leveraged this approach to expand its operational capabilities. In addition, Iran's new drone carrier, the Shahid Bagheri, apparently it will be combined with the Iranian unmanned fighter jet Qaher 313. The managing director of the Iran Aviation Industries Organization, IAIO, a subsidiary of the Defense Ministry, updated reporters on Iran's advances in the aviation industry on the sidelines of the 12th edition of the Iran International Aerospace Exhibition, Iran Airshow 2024, held on the Persian Gulf island of Kish. General Afshin Qaher said the homegrown Qaher fighter jet has emerged as a pilotless aircraft in a project carried out by the local experts. He noted that the pilotless version of Qaher warplane is currently undergoing flight tests and has produced promising results. The Iranian fighter jet Qaher 313 was unveiled in February 2013. The single-seat stealth fighter jet can take off and land on short runways. The general also unveiled plans for the development of various jet trainers in Iran with the purpose of achieving self-sufficiency in this sector. A main priority of the Defense Ministry is to complete the training fleet of the armed forces, he added. General Qaher then pointed to a project to manufacture a new combat helicopter for the naval forces. He said the combat chopper has been designed by the local experts and will be unveiled in the near future. Iranian military experts and technicians have in recent years made great headways in manufacturing a broad range of indigenous equipment, making the armed forces self-sufficient in the arms sphere.